we just installed a bunch of wire ties for all the wires here, so they're not dangling nearly as much. There's still a little bit of a dangle. They're still loose, and so we still got to run a couple more cables, then we'll tighten it right up. So some of the zip ties are fully tight because that's all that's running through them. Some of them are loose, so stuff can run through. Yeah, sometimes there's zip ties just on the cable itself, not even to a strap. And then over here, we still have all the CO2 stuff, right? So we have the 110 AC for the CO2. We have the ground and the signal for the CO2. That's still dangling there because we don't know how we're going to orient the CO2 still, right? But we got to make sure, like, after you're done testing all this stuff, make sure that it does close. Like, watch inside where it closes there. Make sure there's no cables hanging out there, right? Make sure nothing gets squished. And that turns out great. That closes great. This one also closes nice. Oh, except for the zip tie, but I'll cut that off once I'm done putting stuff in there. So yeah, verify that everything still closes, and we'll go from here. Thanks for watching.